Hello students, myself Naran Sure. Today we'll discuss the hierarchy and classification of groups. Okay, so the classification of organism, yes, it is did on the evolutionary relationship. Okay, so for this classification from the Carl Linnaeus, okay, again some biologists came and categorized this all the living organism into the broad categories. That broad categories that we call as the kingdoms. Okay, now see here, Ernst came in 1894. Yes, he did only the suppose two categories, that is plants and animals, but it is not possible to classify that all the living organisms. Again Robert Whittaker came and he put five kingdom system. Okay, what is that five kingdom system? See here, all the living organism. Okay, living organism on the basis of that first character, that is either they are prokaryotic or the eukaryotic. So on the basis of that he put first, that is prokaryotic kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. Okay, and again here kingdom second, that is the Protista. Okay, again see the second mode of nutrition. On the basis of mode of nutrition, again this one get categorized into the kingdom Fungi, then again kingdom Plantae, and again kingdom third one is the kingdom Animalia. Okay, yes, so the mode of nutrition in fungi, yes, it is different from the Plantae. In kingdom Plantae they synthesize their own food. In kingdom Animalia they are the heterotrophic type of nutrition. And again one more thing is that fungi and plants are the same, but they having one different characteristic, that is the suppose take example here, the cell wall in plant cell, it is made up of cellulose, and the cell wall in fungi, it is made up of chitin. Okay, so these plants are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll, and these fungi are not in green color because that chlorophyll is absent in the fungi. So that's why these two categories get separated. Okay, so this is a kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and the kingdom Animalia. So this five kingdom system, yes, it is put by the Robert Whittaker in 1959, and yes, he proposed this particular system, yes, in 1969. Now see again that one more biologist came, that is Carl Coase in 1979, and again he classified kingdom Monera. Okay, so kingdom Monera again he classified, that is Archaea, means that is Probacteria and the Eubacteria. Okay, Probacteria and the Eubacteria. Okay, that is Archaea and the, or simply we can say that is Probacteria and the Eubacteria, means the bacterial cell or this group of organism into one is not developing and one is the developing one. Okay, so this is about the all living organisms categorized into the five kingdom system. Now see the next our point is the scheme of classification. Okay, that is the hierarchy actually. Okay, so basic unit for the classification is the species, and the largest and biggest category is the kingdom. Okay, so which is the broadest category, that is the kingdom. Okay, now see one by one basic unit of classification. Okay, take simple example here, that human beings, Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens. So sapiens, yes, it is the species of the human beings. Okay, and this Homo is the genus, or that we call as the genera. Okay, so what is meant by genus? Closely related species, or simply we can say the group of species. Okay, so that we call as the genus, or the genera. For example here take example of lion. Okay, so here genera is the Panthera. Okay, and Leo is the species. Okay, take again third, that is the hierarchy, that is the family. Okay, so again it is the group of, that is the similar genera or the genus. That is example is here cat, that is the Felis domestica. Okay, again take the hierarchy, that is fourth one, that is the order. Okay, order again it is nothing but the similar groups of family. Yes, that we call as the orders. So here that is apes and humans are included in the same order. Again take example cat and dog, and also it is included into the same order. Again, the fifth one is the class. Class means again the group of similar orders. The group of similar orders. Here examples are the tiger, dog and cat are put into the same class, or that is the similar of the orders. Then again there is sixth one is the phylum and the division. Phylum for the animals and division for the plants. Okay, so this is the main identification for the classification, that is plants and the animals. So phylum, yes, it is the for the animals and division for the plants. Okay, and the last and biggest category is that kingdom. And yes, we know that kingdoms are here. That is 5 kingdoms. That is kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and the kingdom Animalia. Okay, so this is for today's session. If you like the session, please like, subscribe, and also the share. Thank you.